Hello and welcome to The Flow. Today on Cycling with Sully, we're building my 1996 Gary Fisher Avant Garde into a gravel bike. I picked this bike up for free a few weeks ago. In its stock form, it's just a bike. While I love bikes that are quirky and advanced, there will always be a spot in my heart for a normal chromoly steel 700Z hybrid bike from the 90s. This one was just bought from a bike shop and stored in a garage until it took up too much space and was given away. Enjoy this video of the process of me taking an old hybrid bike and making it into a gravel bike. There's nothing wrong with this bike other than it needing a standard tune-up. I could have just done that and had a good bike, but I wanted a bike that really fit my needs. After taking the hubs apart, I was surprised by how clean and well greased the bearings were. But since I had access to it, I decided to re-grease the bearings anyway. I have always struggled with installing seats and fiddling with the seat clamp. Somehow it worked perfectly this time. Now that pretty much wraps it up. This build was nothing crazy or experimental. I just wanted a bike that could do almost anything. Some call it a gravel bike, others a hybrid bike, or even a mountain bike. Whatever name you call it, it's a bike. I wanted it to be comfortable, practical, versatile, and that's what this bike is all about. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to take that old bike you have laying around and spruce it up. If you found this video helpful or even just entertaining, please consider subscribing to help Cycling with Sully grow.